And here we go, the coup de grace. Finally. Alright. It's the new throwing rig. I got the curve wall assemblies in there. Okay. The width, like I said, is about 34 inches wide. Okay, still not regulation 40 inches like you find on a regular crab table. Okay. Got my underlayment or my overlay. Okay. And like I said, the setup that I have here is I showed you guys the steps. We started with the vinyl, then 2 layers of felt, and I'm gonna just throw some dice down, and so you can see the bounce on it. Okay, it's a pretty bouncy surface, but not as bouncy as that Volaro single cell foam stuff. So anyhow, yep, this is the completed project, and I got the my back wall assembly. Okay, came from st.com. Like I said, this was the last piece I was waiting on. Danny just shipped it out to me about a couple days ago. Went ahead and assembled it. Pretty easy to assemble. And I also got my overlay from him also. Okay, and yeah, so you can see the curve walls. Okay, before I had that nice little square box that I got from the Craps Coach, which hey, served me well, served me very well. But like I said, this is the upgraded. This is my upgraded throwing crab rig. So, and as usual, end shot from 14 feet. So this will be the new view. All right. So here we go. All right, time to get practice. Yeah, guy. Out.